This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening NetBeans and switching to the Files view so you can see the actual file system layout. Once done, inspect the Projects and Favorites panels to confirm project names and locations. Next, use Help right arrow about to reveal the NetBeans home and userdir paths. This explains where settings and caches live versus your source files. Make sure to write down those full paths so you can access them directly in your file manager or terminal. You now search the file system for common project markers like POM, XML build, XML, Gradle files, or the NBproject folder to pinpoint NetBeans projects. If you prefer the terminal, run Find or Locate. On Mac OS, use MD-Find, and on Windows, use Explorer Search. Once you find the candidate folders, open them and verify src/main/java, src/test/java, and resources exist, and check nbproject/project, XML for configured source routes. This ensures you're editing the actual source files, not just. You finish by opening the located project with File right arrow Open Project, or import the folder if NetBeans doesn't recognize it. If files appear missing, inspect the NetBeans userdir/var/cache and your version control history to recover lost work before overriding anything. Make sure file permissions allow your user to read and write, and confirm no folders are excluded in project properties. If problems persist, restart NetBeans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.